Is your WhatsApp account continuously getting banned? What I mean by that is WhatsApp blocks your account 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, or whatever it is. You apply for your account to be unbanned, but they ban it again. If yes, the video for today is going to be very interesting because I'm going to speak to you about why is WhatsApp doing this and how to solve this issue on a permanent basis. I'm going to show you a fix to this problem. So I want you to watch my video completely till the end, and if you find it interesting, please go ahead, like, subscribe and share the video further so that others can also gain knowledge on this topic. Nearly 10 million WhatsApp accounts were blocked. Can you beat that? Since January till now in India. That's a big deal. Now, why are they doing this? WhatsApp is a very secured platform, and these guys are always on the watch. They always want to ensure that they do not have any kind of a spam or scam circulating around on their application. So they always like to be proactive. They keep an eye on accounts, and if they think that an account is violating their policies or terms and conditions, boom, they go ahead and ban the account. Nowadays, we have a lot of WhatsApp scams. So these guys are bound to take proactive measures. Another reason why these guys may just ban your account is because of the fact that you may have violated their terms and conditions. Like if your account is engaged in spam or any scam schemes, or if there is harmful content sent through your account. Another reason why WhatsApp may just ban your account is simply because of the fact that they are just following rules for a specific country. Now in India, WhatsApp is operational as compared to maybe in Dubai or any other countries, maybe WhatsApp is banned. But if WhatsApp is to operate in India, it has to follow the rules of the government in India. So whatever rules the telecom department in India has set up, WhatsApp has to follow them. So from time to time, WhatsApp pulls up reports from different accounts and they actually share the information to the IT department in India. So if there's anything fishy, if they get an instruction, they are supposedly going to be banning your account. Another very common reason why your account may be banned is simply because of the fact that your account has been reported multiple times. So if you are a person who has a business, for instance, and you want to do marketing, you do not do WhatsApp ads simply, and you go ahead and start spamming in groups and stuff like that. You just do web scraping and pull out numbers for maybe say 10,000 or 20,000 people from a specific website, and you add all those numbers without their consent in a group, and then you start spamming. You start sending messages for maybe your clothing brand or whatever it is. That is actually not allowed. It's against their policies. So what happens is that in such a case, the users that were forcefully added who wouldn't like it, they go ahead and report your account as spam and they block you. So imagine if you are adding like say 10 or 20,000 people, and out of 10,000 people, even if 1,000 people go ahead and report your account is going to get banned. So these are the main reasons why your account may just get banned on WhatsApp. So you need to understand first why your account was banned. So think about whatever pointers I spoke to you in my video for today, and then accordingly you can communicate with WhatsApp, request them to unban your account. Now, I have made a specific video, the link for which is in my description. You could watch that video to understand how you could communicate with WhatsApp so that your account is getting unbanned. Now, I'm not giving you like a 100% guarantee that your account is going to get unbanned, because these days WhatsApp uses a smart automated system that detects issues with a specific account. So if they even suspect something, they're just going to ban your account. But if they have banned your account as a preventive measure to ensure that there's no spam on WhatsApp, like if you remember, I spoke to you about the first point, being proactive, right? If WhatsApp just suspects that your account is spammy, you can surely go ahead and assure them that you are not going to spam, or you don't spam anybody, so unban the account and stuff like that. You're going to understand everything in this video. Just watch this video and you are going to learn how to communicate with WhatsApp so that your account is permanently unbanned. So apart from understanding the issue and communicating with WhatsApp accordingly, there's no other way to ensure that this problem goes away. And if your account is continuously getting banned, I suggest you go ahead and register another number. There's no use, breaking your head about your existing account, which is already banned. I hope this helps, and I hope your account gets unbanned. If you need any assistance from me, if you think I can help you with something on this topic, please go ahead and send me an email, or you can even post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.